I'm Dave Bilinsky. I'm the Practice Management Advisor and Consultant for the Law Society of British Columbia. I'm a colleague of Nerino Petro, and we advise people on new developments in legal technology and the practice of law. The topic today was how to build your virtual team. In other words, how to use communication and collaborative technologies in reaching out to new clients, reaching out to new markets, and also building a team behind the scenes that allows you to practice in what is called a virtual office rather than a bricks and mortar office. There are many benefits in going to the virtual law office, not the least of which is the ability to reach out to new staff that otherwise wouldn't be able to come into an office 9 to 5. They can work from home, from their comfort zone on a timetable that's good for them. And the benefit to you is that you have a loyalty moment here. You're able to bring people into the workforce that otherwise wouldn't be able to work within a standard law office setting. And as a result, you build a very strong virtual team in the background to reach out to clients. The other benefit, of course, is that you can reach out to new clients in new markets because you're using the power of the internet to reach out to these people through different web-based tools that allow you to collaborate, deliver documents, interview people, and work in a way that really wouldn't be possible without the internet. The first question is deciding what kind of a virtual office you want to have. Do you want to have an office that reaches out to clients, or do you want to have a virtual back office, or both of them, as the case may be? The second consideration would be, do you want to have a true virtual office, or do you want to have it a hybrid office, which is an adjunct to a bricks and mortar office where you have a certain kernel housed in your office, and then you reach out otherwise to either your background staff or to consultants or other people in how you produce your legal product, or whether you reach out to clients that way and deliver services, or both. So once you've decided what kind of virtual office you want and which components you want, then you would start looking for a platform that would be able to deliver the type of services that you want. And fortunately, there are a wide variation of different platforms that you can select. In my experience, lawyers are already using these virtual tools. They may not even be realizing it. If they're using Google Documents or any of the other platforms of that, cloud-based platforms are already taking a fair step towards being a virtual office. But fortunately, there are other platforms such as Total Attorneys and Clio and Direct Law that allow you to use technologies that other people have built, and they have built the infrastructure, and then you just contract with them and use their tools to reach out to clients. In some cases, they have templates that are readily available, client portals, secure collaboration platforms, calendaring, bring forward, bill payment systems online so that they can process your credit card payments, trust accounting. There are so many different benefits that you can get from these different platforms, depending on which ones you want to jump to, that I think it almost behooves lawyers these days to look to them to see how they can incorporate these into their manner of practice. I think also the clients these days are becoming much more accustomed to dealing with people online, products and services, eBay and that sort of stuff, PayPal, and so they're looking for lawyers to deliver products and services in a way that they're already accustomed to. And I think the requirement will be for lawyers moving forward to be able to incorporate these kind of technologies into their practice and deliver products and services to clients in a way that meets the client's needs. And I think there's a couple of different components here that are important. One is the unbundled practice of law. I think the virtual practice allows lawyers to decide that they can deliver just a slice of a legal product rather than taking on an entire retainer. And the clients need that. The clients are calling for that, we understand, so they can come in, get a bit of legal advice, and then go off and do whatever they need to do. And the other part of it is that I think it also increases access to justice. And there's been a huge cry for increasing access to justice, particularly for the middle class. And I think these new collaborative tools allow lawyers to deliver cost-sensitive products that have a great value to clients in a way that does increase their access to legal services and increases their access to justice.